What's up, y'all? Happy Monday. Alrighty, so went out and did a consultation this morning, which was a recommendation. Where I was referred to her. It's going to be a wax removal, screen recoat, and UV cure, and granite countertops. Now we're here back in Snellville, Georgia, and after I get the coating here down here, I'm going to go do a another consultation in Stone Mountain, which isn't far away. And what we're going to be doing here, guys, this is actually one of my repeat clients. She used to use me when I used to clean carpets. And she got some new floors installed, and she got glue. Well, not she. The contractors got glue all over the floor. She said, Courtney, they tried for weeks trying to get this glue off the floor, and they actually made it worse. She, follows me on Facebook, so she's seen some of the jobs that I've done. Had to go out of town to other states and do this. Brand new floor. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going today. All right, guys, we are in Snellville, Georgia. This is the Bright Water. I have a lot of clients in this neighborhood, like I said, going all the way back to my carpet cleaning days. And what we're going to be doing here today, guys, is screen all this glue off the floors. Then we're going to vacuum and clean the floors. Then put down a coat of Recoat, let that dry for a few hours, and then UV cure. So let me just zoom in and show you guys. See all those little specks everywhere? That's all glue all over. See all that right there? Glue residue all over these floors. Matter of fact, when you first walk in, let me show you when you first walk in, you can really see it highlighted on the floor. See right there, guys? Let me zoom in. See all that? See all that glue residue? So my clients, actually left and left me access to the house. As I said, Courtney, call us when you're done. See all that, guys? Look at all that glue residue all over these floors. So what we're going to be doing is this kitchen area coming out here to the living room, this foyer, this room right here, which is the office. See, look at all this glue. Guys, look at this. Look at that. I'm gonna zoom in. Look at all that. That's all glue residue all over the floors. Okay. And then the masters. All right, and then we got a closet back here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started.
Truman in progress. Watch us coat those floors. Truman in progress. Watch us coat those floors.
Rolling that finish wall to wall, bringing that shine. Watch the clients applaud.
Truman in progress. Watch us coat those floors. Truman in progress. Truman in progress. Watch us coat those floors.
UV curing, now they ready for more.
Screen and recoat, got them looking brand new. If your floors need help, Truman coming. Truman in progress. Watch us coat those floors.
Watch us coat those floors.
Truman in progress. Watch us coat those floors.
Screen it, coat it, make it
Shine
one day recoat every
time. Truman in progress.
Truman Gold vans pulling up to your door.
Screen and recoat, got that hardwood restored.
By God's grace, we keep on raising the score.
Truman in progress. Truman in progress. Watch us coat those floors.
UV light shining, now they're ready for more.
From Atlanta to Augusta, hear the customers roll. Truman
right,
in
guys.
progress.
That is going to do it.
Watch us coat those
Had to do a
floors.
little few touch-ups. Also, I told my client, you can't see it from here. Let me see if I get an angle. Oh yeah, there it is. You see that line? Let's see. It's a line right up in there. See that right there? That's the refrigerator. That's why I was telling people it won't scratch the floors. But when you move these refrigerators, the weight of it will cause an indentation in the floor, and that's exactly what it did. The floors came out great. Remember when I first came in, you can see all that glue residue all over the floors. Okay. Now another thing too, guys, people always ask me, well, Courtney, what about my manufacturer warranty? Guys, listen, once that floor is taken out the box and is installed, there's no manufacturer warranty. It's gone, okay? Manufacturer warranty only warranties the floor if there's any defects in the floor before you install it. Now, in a situation like this, because people always ask, when it comes to glue, the manufacturer has nothing, 100% nothing to do with that, okay? That's not their fault, and they're not going to replace the floors, okay? That's up to the contractor, the installer, and the homeowner. In some cases, I don't know about this case, usually the homeowner ends up having to pay out of pocket, and in certain other cases, the installer will pay for it, and this is why we have traveled out of state numerous times because because the contractor had to pay for it, so they didn't have to replace the floor. So that being said, guys, floors look amazing. Finish looks amazing. All right. See you in the next one.